Good morning, everyone. My name is Kamal Sehgal. I am CEO of Infratron India Private Limited. Our company provides IoT solutions mainly to help you improve reliability, reduce losses, and enhance performance of your critical infrastructure assets. Uh, Two key components of our solutions in terms of the value creation. One is asset health management through predictive analytics, which helps you reduce unplanned downtimes and improves longevity of your assets. And second, optimizing the cost of energy and enhancing the performance of all those assets. So in the subsequent slides, I'll be talking about what all product solutions and more in detail. Infratron basically is a startup, a DPIIT recognized startup. We are focused on power industry and industry 4.0 solutions for manufacturing sector. And myself, I have 25 years of experience in the industry and worked with the power sector, a lot of infrastructure companies, including even automotive, consumer durables, and also worked in process industries like pharma. If you look at transformer as an asset, it's a very critical asset for your power distribution system. It's a single largest contributor to repair and maintenance expense of your power transmission, and hence timely monitoring and intervention is very critical to prevent any unplanned downtimes or to ensure reliability of the power coming to your operations. Manual monitoring by maintenance staff has its own drawbacks. There is lack of transparency, data not available when required, and a lot of time goes into preparing reports, which can be made accessible to experts for intervention. So through our solution of this I-TEMS, we call it integrated transformer electrical monitoring system. We have our basically a hardware which can be installed on any transformer, and we take the data to cloud and provide you analytics. More details. So our solution basically consists of a enterprise cloud platform, which provides you a single window view of all transformers. It can be transformer, it can be other assets also. And the IoT box configured to communicate with I-TEMS. So this communicate to the cloud through 3G, 4G, or Wi-Fi. We also pick up physical parameters like oil temperature, winding temperatures, and also a lot of other alarms and trips which which happens on this device, and a log of alerts can be created and provided to you, which is very critical to manage the life history of the asset and take appropriate decisions for enhancing the performance, for ensuring power reliability. Similarly, there are along with electrical and physical parameters, we provide you reports, database for maintaining your preventive maintenance schedules, status of that, repair and maintenance workflow can be managed on the cloud using this software, which can be accessed through a mobile or a tablet or a PC, and a single window view. There are email and SMS notifications for the alerts, which can be programmed as per the threshold values which are critical for alert for the asset performance. So you can program that, you can set it, and your field staff in a predictive manner can get those alerts so that there is a timely intervention to prevent any major breakdown. On the cloud, this is some of the snapshot. You get a user ID, password for each individual who is accessing it. He logs in. First he sees a geo view of all the assets, and the asset, by looking at it, you can come to know if there is a alarm or if there is a problem with that asset. You get a complete view of all the different sites. You may have a site spread all across India, and it tells you for each site how many assets and what is the current status of those assets. As you click on that site, you get into the assets which are connected to those sites, and the nameplate information as well as the current condition of that asset. As you click on that, you get a real-time trends of various electrical and physical parameters, including a log of all the alerts. And you can also generate a complete asset register in it, which gives you which helps you basically manage the complete life history of that asset, right from the date of installation to all the activities done in terms of preventive maintenance, repair maintenance, or any other kind of spare parts, labor, which is consumed to maintain that asset in its right form. So this basically help you manage your asset better, and also it provides you inputs in terms of improving the performance of the asset and reduce the cost of electrical consumption. It throws analytics to help you understand the wastage of energy consumption, which can be which can be acted upon, and cost of energy consumption can be reduced. These are value creating model where real-time remote monitoring is one part of it, where you get a central monitoring dashboard with all the trends and the reports. There are system generated alerts and notifications, and the log of that is maintained. On-site validation and correction action through the field staff which we have, and it can go and validate and take the corrective action so that equipment can be brought back, restored to its original state. And complete asset history database is maintained at one place. So overall, what is the value proposition? That is, one is the asset management with the asset life cycle history database at one place, the reliable power as you get predictive alerts, you get condition based proactive maintenance processes which gets enabled through this, and 24/7 surveillance of the various critical parameters of your asset. And you also get analytics to basically understand the wastages in the power consumption, as well as automation of reports help you lower the cost, the resource optimization basically through this optimization. So overall you get improved reliability of power at a lower cost of operation. So we shared with you our solution called I-TEMS. The same can be applied to basically the architecture of our cloud platform. The same can be configured for any other asset like compressor, DG, chillers, AHUs, or any machine for monitoring the performance of the asset as well as the energy consumption. So we look forward to working with all of you, giving us opportunity to help you, achieve lower cost of operation with the improved reliability of your infrastructure. Thank you.